I'll do a little wet forming. I put this in here, soaking it. I get both sides good and wet, and I was using the bananas to keep it in there. As you can see, I drew my picture of what I want to do before I started. And then I wrapped my tomahawk in saran wrap. I oiled it ahead of time yesterday, and I wiped the excess oil off this morning. So this was kind of move this out of the way. Bring my piece over here. Put this right there. That's where I want it, right there. Push this in there. Probably should have brought some clamps home. But basically, I am going to form this to this. I want to form this back area. Right here. Yep, that's it. The top here I kind of want to leave open because that's going to be how I'm going to put it in. But this is how I'm going to form it right there. There we go. Show you how make sure we're in the camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to just keep pressing this in there. See how I formed up there? And we're going to. So I brought this down. Have to dry quicker. And it's formed around the back. You can see it. You can see that. I'm trying to dry the inside because I don't want this formed. I want this straight. I'm going to cut that, and my flap's going to go to the top. So that I can pull it out off my belt. So the main area I want wet formed is this outside edge, and that's what's going to hold it. I got the, it's finally dried now, and I have it opened like a lid, and then there's my piece.